Welcome to CVN's Trial Technique Spotlight, and I am so excited to share with you today one of the best uses of a demonstrative exhibit on direct examination I have ever seen. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Shane Reed. I used to be a civil United States attorney. I've written textbooks for trial lawyers, and now I'm a trial consultant. And what I love to do when I'm advising lawyers is use actual videos from CVN to really raise their game. Today, we're going to look at a great one done by Rachel Lanier. Like I said, it's one of the best I've ever seen. It was from the Johnson & Johnson talc trial. Rachel Lanier was putting on one of 22 plaintiffs who claimed that Johnson & Johnson's baby powder and shower-to-shower products had asbestos in the talc. And by using these products over years and years, that the plaintiffs got ovarian cancer. At the end of the trial, the verdict was $4.6 billion. And one of the reasons it was so high is something Rachel Lanier did on direct examination, which was making this plaintiff come to life. I'm not going to ruin the surprise. Let's get right to it, and then we'll talk about it.
We've been using these plaintiff roadmaps, but I made you your own special roadmap because I feel like it's more representative for you. So can you, well, this is your plaintiff roadmap. So what we'll do is we'll go over your personal information, your legal checklist, and then we'll finish with you, okay? We're having like a familial drawing competition on these Elmo notes. I think I'm winning. Monica said this looks like a hat box though, but will you tell the jury what this is?
It's a wedding cake.
It is a cake. And why would I use a cake for somebody like you?
Because that was one of my hobbies of doing cakes, birthday cakes, wedding cakes, eating cakes, anything cakes.
And you say it was one of your hobbies, but what did you spend yesterday doing?
I baked a cake yesterday.
What kind of cake did you make?
We had an anniversary. Some of our friends here, and they had me make an anniversary cake.
And was that for Karen Hawk, one of our plaintiffs?
Yes, it was for Karen and her husband.
And we actually have it here. I'm going to let Monica handle it because I'm a little clumsy. And this is something that the jury can remember you by, right? You're the cake maker.
Objection is what?
A little bit much the cake.
I haven't tasted it. It's how it represents.
Okay, so here we have, so you made this cake. Can you tell the jury a little bit about that?
I was given a kitchen. I hadn't done it in a while. Of course, all my supplies are at home, so I had to think, okay, what do I need? What do I need? Wrote down a list. Still forgot 4 things. But I still forgot 4 things, but we managed. The gentleman's house I went to, he was excellent at helping me run over his moms and get something and grab this and that. And it was a lot of fun, you know. I was nervous. I thought, this isn't what I thought I came here to do, but I want to wing it. And I just did what I could, best I could.
And we're putting you on before lunch so that everyone can enjoy it during lunch. Is that fair?
Yes.
And you did the piping and all that. I think that's what it's called. You did all that yourself, right?
Yes.
And it says, I don't know if all the jurors can see it.
That's heavy.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. It has a number on there that you put on there. 17,520. Can you explain that to the jury?
Well, that equals the 48 years that our anniversary couple is celebrating today. Just say how many days y'all have been together, marriage-wise.
Wasn't that incredible? I've never seen anything like that. Rachel was ingenious. She was creative. I mean, just the drawing, a simple cake with the 3 topics of the testimony she wanted to go over with Carol Williams, her personal information, the legal checklists, and then the finish. So it's that kind of demonstrative exhibit that the jury will always remember. They will remember Carol Williams as the cake lady. But Rachel did something even greater than that. She had Carol Williams bake a cake for one of the other plaintiffs who was having an anniversary during this long trial. And it was a 45th anniversary. And then Rachel did something even more. She got into all the details and says, so why did you put the number 17,520 on this cake? I mean, why did you write that out? And Carol said, I wanted people to know the significance of being married for 45 years. What a wonderful milestone. Rachel made this witness come to life, memorable, unforgettable, something I've never seen before. And here's another little lesson. If you're the defense attorney, of course you want to keep the cake out of evidence, but there's a real risk that if you object, that the judge is going to overrule. And I don't blame the defense attorney for trying to keep it out of evidence, but when the judge overrules it, the court is filled with laughter. Now the jury is just more connected to this witness, all because of Rachel's creativity. If you want to get some more of my tips, go to my newsletter in the link below. It comes out twice a month. It's free. I've got bonus material and tips. And if you want to learn more from actual trials, go to CVN's vast library. All right, I can't wait to see you next time. Goodbye.